So just like Google, Bing has Webmaster Tools. Why don't you tell us a little bit about that?
Sure. So Bing Webmaster Tools is very similar to Google Search Console. You'll be able to see in both of them kind of the same thing. So you'll see even on the side there some of very similar options like search performance to Google Search Console. The only difference is that in Google Search Console, you won't be able to see users coming from Bing. In Bing Webmaster Tools, that's where you'll be able to see that data. So if some of your users, if you notice in Google Analytics, are coming from Bing and then some coming from Google Search Console, it might be good to set up both dashboards. They are both free and great options for making sure that you can track your users coming from both search engines.
Yep. Yeah, and for whatever reason, the traffic and how you're ranking on Bing can definitely be very different from Google, and that might even be an optimization play too. You might say, "Wow, I'm getting a lot of traffic from this page on Bing, but Google's not really acknowledging it too much." Maybe optimize it more to get more Bing traffic, or take a look at Google Search Console. Maybe you need to request indexation or things like that. But first, start off with Google because that is definitely the lion's share of search, but Bing has been gaining ground over the past year with the advent of ChatGPT and all the innovations that they're doing, which we've even seen an increase in search activity.